back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the first thing I got, as well as a second item that will be related to it. So I've already cut it open. Now it's time to pull it open. Okay, so I just sent this, so go subscribe to them. And there in here is our item. I think they taped it down. Here is our DeLorean. So let me turn off the camera and open it up. So here it is up close. It's actually made out of metal. It's pretty heavy for such a small car. But tomorrow, or whenever the next item that's going to be in relation to this DeLorean comes, we'll unbox that. So it'll be now. Okay, so the second box in relation to that DeLorean has come. So let me open it up. Get this one all opened up, hopefully. Side now. Got a whole bunch of newspaper. And the item in relation to the DeLorean should be wrapped up in here. And hopefully it's fine. It sounds like it's got some things rattling around inside of it. I'll just tear a hole in the side of it. It is inside another bag. Here it is. It's going to need a bit of work. Some of the things are in a few parts. But hey, I'll go fix this clock tower up. As you can see, this is off of it. So I'll glue that back on. Glue this back on to wherever it went. And then we will be back at the layout to go paint the area where this will go. Okay, so here's another box in regards to stuff to the layout that I was gonna put in a different video, but thought it might be a better idea just to add it into this video, so you didn't have to watch a short video later on. Let's open it. There's some bubble wrap in the box, but here are our buildings. They're a little bit smaller than I thought, but they will work just fine for the layout's main street. So now we're going to be at the layout to put all this stuff on it. So here we go. Okay, so we are over at the layout now, and we're going to do some work. I already painted this off camera, just because. And we're going to be hot gluing down another crossing and painting a road, the grass area over there for the courthouse. I already put our other new building on the layout, so here we go. Our road, crossing, and parking lot are all done, so now I'll wash up the brush, let the paint dry a little bit, then come back and paint the grass over here and what will be in front of the building. now all the paint work is done, so we'll just let this dry and then we will set this up and I'll share the finished product right now. So we have completed this. This is how it looks like now that it's done. I just painted this road just so we can have it going both ways. And it works pretty well, so thanks for watching.